Now in the last month of price action, this coin gave back more than 37% of its value. Today we are talking about ECOMI. Today we are talking about its strength and weaknesses against dollar, against Bitcoin. So I would advise you, if you are into OMI, if you are into crypto space, stick around, because we're gonna roar hard. A few videos ago on our Dent video, be sure to check it out if you're into Dent, one of our viewers, Scott, said, "Love the content, gotta get you a new mic though. I'll donate 5,000 Dent on it." Anyone else? Well, not only that Scott donated 5,000 Dent, he doubled that amount. He boosted this lazy dinosaur into getting a new technology. Because it's not that I'm cheap, it's not that I don't care about technology, I absolutely do. Is that my mind is now all in the content for you, not in the technology. And of course, I could upgrade this unit, second unit, computer, and I don't know what. Until now that was on hold, but when I got a boost from the people like Scott, well, we just gotta give. So Scott, thank you for showing support. And I just want to let you know, the new mic is already on the way. I will not let you down. So for all of you that think that I have shitty mic, well, thanks to the people like Scott, the channel is getting better and better. If all of you want to support this channel, first step would be clicking the subscribe button. Welcome to our crypto community, to our crypto pack. We're welcoming you. It's completely free and it will provide you a value on your crypto journey. Now, funnily enough, more than 2 months ago, almost 3 months ago, you might remember I put this meme on our community tab. Such coins, much wow. Well, ladies and gentlemen, isn't this relatable again after a few months? Doge came to top 10, crushed competition, and is now storming through the field. The question is, will he be able to sustain himself in this position? While we're at it, well, let's head to the top 10. Let's see what is shaking the markets. Oh yeah, just as I thought, nothing again compares to Doge. Dogecoin, 30%, more than 30% to the upside, 39 cents. This comedy of a crypto, Dogecoin, became very serious stuff. 5th place, ladies and gentlemen. Who's laughing now? No one. No one in the top 10 exactly. But do you know who's surging even more than Doge? Qtum, 33.91% to the upside, almost touching $20 mark. Many non-believers appeared when I made a video on Qtum, when I made a price prediction for this coin that it will go to the upside. Now again, Doge is laughing, but I will laugh too. The field is looking like we are having a slight recovery. Is this the case? Time will tell. Maybe this is just a dead cat bounce. Maybe our downward plunge from yesterday, a big red, is not over. Let's wait and see. But also let's wait and see what's happening on the finally ECOMI, OMI chart versus US dollar. Who's crushing who? Who's winning the battle? Now, boys and girls, we do have a newcomer in our class, ECOMI versus dollar. Now, every candle that you're seeing on the screen, this is a daily chart, 1 day. Remember, daily. And just screen is everything. Daily. This is February of this year. So this baby is just a few months old. Few weeks, I would say. I mean, we have a youngest coin that was ever covered on this channel. How about that? We have a baby. Oh, isn't he the sweetest? Who's the little boy? Where's our OMI? Can you say Bitcoin? Gaga. Okay, that's enough. But really, youngest coin ever covered on this channel. Which doesn't mean nothing. This could have a huge potential into the future. And right off the bat, although we don't have much price action to analyze, I will tell you, this is a bullish price action, nothing less. Yes, we are having a pullback, but so what? Everything that goes up has to rest, has to go down, if not a lot, a little. ECOMI, or let's call it OMI, because he's a little boy, he's so sweet. Everything you need to know in one simple trend line. For me, this was the path of OMI when he were in a parabolic state. Now he is resting. Why is that? Well, he broke the uptrend. Look at those touches, just to show you the validation of this. In here, too parabolic wasn't sustainable, so the price gotta give. We broke below it, and what happened right here, right in there? Can't you see that this, for me at least, was the first indication that OMI has to rest? We will go even lower, right here, because this candle tried to get back into this uptrend, but was rejected. This was an obvious rejection from the trend line that was once support, now resistance. And yes, we will touch again this trend line somewhere in the future, where OMI decides to go up. For now, we don't have any proof that OMI will go up in the shorter period of future. Absolutely that OMI will go up, but how long he will rest? Well, that depends on the Big Daddy, and you know who I'm talking about, because he will decide fate of all the others. You may believe it or not believe it, it's just a fact. Since this huge candle, for example, let's now go into the story, this pullback, making it bullish. Is that possible that this pulling back is in fact bullish price action? Well, yes it is, and I'll show you now why. What is this on your chart? Do you see a bull flag? I'm seeing it. A pole and a flag. Pretty nice one. Pretty schoolish example. Now, since bull flags are usually bullish patterns that are breaking to the upside, why not expect that this one will do also? Of course, bearish narrative is also possible. Not every bull flag break out to the upside, some break to the downside, but by the probability, yep, you can expect this continuation to the upside after ECOMI is done. Maybe now is the time when he is done. We don't know that for now. We don't have any proof. And if I chart you this volume, well, from the peak 20th of March, look at this candle and declining volume. Nothing is happening right now. Still no proof that this point is the point from which ECOMI will go up. So either we go more sideways and more rest, or we continue in some manner to more downside. We'll see about that. But what is holding the price? What is giving me the bullish narrative above all of this that I just said? Exponential moving average. And do you know what is this little tiny one? Of course, we don't have enough price action, so we don't have a long one. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the 55 exponential moving average, which, as you can see, for now, is holding the price at 0.006. Our price action today is 0.007, so nothing is indicating to us that this will be broken. Maybe this is enough support. Maybe this moving average of 55 is enough to give us boost to the upside. Before we leave the charts, let me draw this 21 exponential moving average daily. What is he doing? Pretty significant one, because as you can see, at this point he gave us boost after we touched it to the huge parabolic move to the upside. After we broke below it, well, he is resisting us. He is putting us, shoveling us down into pressure. Think about this price action like this. We are now pressed between 21 and 55. Something gotta give. Yes, we can go a little more sideways, but at some point this will break. This will explode my expectation upside. Okay, final verdict. In the short term, OMI versus USD. Well, let's put it like this. USD is sipping the glass of nice cocktail. He's in the lead. For now, OMI is not bearish. We're in a kind of a neutral position. USD have the upper hand, so a glass will be filled to the USD, not to OMI. Long term, well, things change, and my thumbs up are going to OMI. Cause remember, bull flag, remember 55 EMA, still not broken. We are still in a bull trend, long term. This year, great things are ahead of this project, no matter the short-term corrections. A quick glance at OMI versus Bitcoin before you shut off this rambling. Daily chart of ECOMI versus Bitcoin, again, an uptrend. Yes, a harsher pullback than versus USD, expected because Bitcoin is far harder, far stronger than USD, at least I perceive it that way. Could this be a falling wedge? Bullish, also continuation pattern, and by continuation I mean continuing this. This was the first impulse we are having, pullback, and by the probability, well, we could see something like this again. So, although this look harsh, it seems to me that maybe ECOMI did its time versus Bitcoin. Maybe now it will be ready for a continuation to the upside. In the volume, we'll see a bigger rise when this falling wedge, if you are agreeing that it is falling wedge, will be broken. I'm not giving it high probability that it will broken. Downside, upside, for me, is more probable. And you can see that there is not much room in which we can move if this is the valid falling wedge. So, even faster, we could be going to the upside than versus dollar. Before the conclusion, let's just draw 55. You now see what's happening. Right support as it was versus dollar, and 21. First, he was a good boy, giving us that boost that we needed, huge move. But now becoming a bad boy, giving us resistance. So everything we said versus dollar stands. We are squeezed between the 21 and the 55. Explosion will come. Final verdict, same as versus USD. Bitcoin is for now sipping the glass. In the short term, Bitcoin wins. In the long term, we will check the picture, and you know that since we are in the bullish pattern, that since we are above 55, we are still bullish. Thumbs up for OMI, our baby that is challenging this grandfather of crypto, this solid rock. You go, OMI, you go. And also, you go and smash the like button, showing me support. Put those thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, do all the good stuff, share it with someone that you think is in need of this kind of video, as in interested in ECOMI. Also check out one of these, because I'm presenting you various coins from the various spaces in the crypto sectors. Do enjoy it, and till the next time, agaga.